Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Core Mainnet to Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to search for Core Mainnet details. So you are going to see an article from medium.com. So you just have to launch that article and scroll down in order to get the network information, or I will put the link of this article down in the description box so that you can access it quickly. Now once you are on this page, you are going to see the core mainnet information. So you just have to copy the information from here one by one, and you need to use it on Trust Wallet. So you just have to open your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you need to tap on this search icon in the top. After that, you will not be able to see core mainnet in this list. So in order to add it, you will have to tap on this circle in the top right hand corner, and after that you will have to tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on this import crypto page where you will have to tap on network. Now over here you don't need to change the network as it should be selected as Ethereum. Then in the chain list you can select the chain, or you just have to keep it as it is. After that, in the name you will have to enter its name, which is the core blockchain. So you will have to type core blockchain. Then it will ask you to enter the symbol. So the symbol is CORE. Then the node URL is asking over here. So you will have to come here, and then you will have to just copy this address, come back and paste it over here. Then you need to press this import button in the bottom, and after waiting for some time, it will show you that you have successfully added this chain on Trust Wallet. So as you can see over here that core mainnet is now added in Trust Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.